Current time is 6 a.m. We're at the airport again. Parker randomly got upgraded to business class. Absolute garbage. Yeah, so we're sulking, enjoying our cheap Tim Hortons, but such is life.
It's fine.
This morning, we embark on another epic adventure.
Yes, we do.
We're going to New York, we're going on a cruise, going to the Caribbean, and it's going to be good.
It's going to be hot.
How was business class?
Look, I'll be
Parker?
honest with you. So good. It was the best. I took pictures of all my meals. I took a picture of the outlets because I can charge like 1,000 things at one time in there. I had as much room as I needed for my legs.
Well, you know what, dude? I'm happy that you got to experience business class. Driver en route.
My boy Nigel. You my boy Blue? Nigel. Hey man, how's it going?
How you doing, man?
Good. To the Spanish Tavern.
We're here.
We want to go?
I don't like how that feels at all. Oh, it's exciting though.
Nobody likes us right now.
Well, the Canucks lost. The boys are a bit solemn right now, but it was awesome. On to the next Saturday activity in New Jersey.
That's gonna be our jam. That's gonna be our jam. That is pretty sick.
We're going to be bumping in Times Square on the whole crew, a week of us.
Yeah, that'll be neat. That will be neat.
Well, we made it onto the cruise ship yesterday.
Yeah, we did.
And today we're lounging.
It's glorious.
It's actually getting sunnier and warmer, so
Oh my
we
God.
will no longer be cold.
This is where we're at.
I'm on a boat. Clear it up.
My flippy floppies.
Ooh, lens flares.
And this, my friends, is the Flow Rider.
Justice! Justice! Big stomp, bruh. Big stomp.
Yeah,
Smooth like a kitten. Like a cat. You gotta be like a cat.
graceful.
Dude, check it out. This is the big old ship that we just got off, called the Anthem of the Seas.
We're going to Liquiodo, and we're going to go to Las Pelas Natural Water Slide. It's 30 feet long, and it's made from the earth.
Sick alert. I hear they have a rope swing.
So that's exciting. The walk. Dun, 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 dun. What you know about going?
Never had some fun before.
This is it, yeah. Natural water slide into a little pool.
Dude, so this is it. Let's get this party started, shall we?
Let's come with me.
I'll be honest, I'm scared, man.
Look at this thing.
I'm real scared.
It looks like it ought to hurt.
It does, doesn't it?
I'm sure it won't be that bad. You know, once we get our butts in the groove.
What's in the groove? Oh yeah, baby.
Hello.
Oh, Nelly. Oh, my God.
Holy. That is absolutely nuts. And we're off to our next location. It says go, go, go.
Now, to travel over to the food stands, food kiosks in Luquillo, so we can try their local delicacies. It's pretty much just a big spit roast pig.
Really?
Pretty much, yeah.
We're about to eat a giant pig. Okay.
God.
This, my friend, spit roasted pig over charcoal, basted and cooked until the skin gets crispy. The crispy skin is a big part of it. It's called lechon, and it's Spanish referring to roasted pig.
It really doesn't stop. The boys are tired.
Yeah, things are alive in the Keo right now, and there's
Yeah.
party boats going all around, but we gotta get back to our boat.
Yeah.
This big old beast. It's gonna be pretty insane. She's a beautiful little ship. I must be honest.
We're calling her home for the better part of this week.
our big girl.
Yeah.
That's our big birthday.
Good day today, but
Lady, the anthem of the seas.
yeah, it's time to go to bed. Maybe have a nightcap, but I'll never tell.
All right, that's enough. Goodbye, everyone.